In this video tutorial, you will learn how to filter within layer. After activating the layer to be filtered in the layer box, click the filter button on the right side of the panel. The layer to be filtered is displayed in the open panel. After selecting the columns to be filtered, the operator and value input fields are filled in and the query is added with the Add Query button. The query runs when the query button is clicked. Results are listed in the attribute table. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.